In a dense and vibrant forest, a pair of colorful birds named Metho and Kokila lived happily in their small nest, surrounded by tall trees, soft grass, and multicolored flowers. One day, Kokila laid several eggs, and both parents were excited, dreaming of the beautiful chicks that would soon hatch. But one egg was slightly crooked, and when it finally hatched, a tiny chick named Bholo emerged, with a faint black mark on his feathers. The other chicks were cheerful and bright, but Bholo looked different, and even his parents were unsure about him. Eventually, Bholo was sent out of the nest and left to wander alone in the forest. Alone and scared, Bholo found shelter with a kind orphan child who took him in, protecting and caring for him. Day by day, Bholo grew stronger, braver, and healthier. Slowly, the black mark on his feathers faded, and he blossomed into a beautiful bird. Meanwhile, Metho and Kokila's other chicks also grew up. One day, they told their parents, "We want to live our own lives," and left them to follow their own paths through the forest. Later, when Metho and Kokila went into the forest searching for food, they saw Bholo, now fully grown and beautiful, with just a faint trace of the black mark left on his feathers, and they recognized him. Overwhelmed with love and regret for having sent him away, they welcomed him back. Bholo stayed in the forest with the orphan child, safe and happy. Together, they explored the forest, learned about life, and shared love and care. Through all the challenges and hardships, Bholo realized that even in difficult times, courage, kindness, and helping others bring happiness, peace, and the true meaning of family. And in the vibrant forest, filled with sunlight, tall trees, colorful flowers, and soft moss, Bholo, the orphan child, and the birds lived happily, learning and growing together, their bond strengthened by love, patience, and understanding.